Today I'm going to share how I make some Wicked inspired cloud slime. Hey, it's Brian from Lilies and Loafers. I made this cloud slime with my kids on one of their days off from school. They had so much fun making the cloud slime and they had even more fun playing with it. And what is cloud slime? It's basically fluffy slime. It's still a little sticky, but it has more fluff and air to it. To make this cloud slime, you only need a few ingredients. 4 ounces of glue, 2 tablespoons of contact solution, 2 cups of shaving cream, and if you want to add a little color to the slime, just a few drops of food coloring. Time to make some slime. In a large mixing bowl, just empty out that 4 ounces of glue. If you're going to add color to your slime, now is when you want to add a few drops of food coloring. 1 or 2 drops goes a really long way. Now add in the contact solution and stir it really well. Add in 2 cups of shaving cream and stir until you can no longer stir. Now at this point, you're going to need to use your hands to knead the dough. I mean, slime. At this point, you're going to need your hands to knead the slime. Let your kids do this part because it'll transition nicely into playtime. So using your hands, you're going to want to knead that slime. And you'll know when you're done when the slime is less sticky. And now it's time to have fun with the slime. I made sure to contain the fun with the slime to a slime-safe play area. Make sure you avoid fabrics like your couch and your carpet. And you're not going to avoid a mess completely. My kids got slime all over their clothes. I pre-treated those clothes with some Dawn and some warm water. I let that soak for about 20 minutes before I put it into the washing machine. And thank God I did that because the shirts came out completely clean. My kids had so much fun making it and playing with it, and I hope you have as much fun as we did.